Hey everybody, welcome back to Fat Girl Food. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Instant Pot Duo Nova. If you are interested in seeing this Instant Pot rice and grain cooker, this is going to be in a separate video, but I just want to let you guys know that I have this one as well, and I'll be doing an unboxing and first use video on this one. Alrighty you guys, so this is the Instant Pot Duo Nova. It is the 6-quart version, 7-in-1, multi-use pressure cooker, saute pan, steamer, slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, and yogurt maker. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I picked mine up from Kohl's. It was on sale for $99.99. I'm not sure. I'll put the price on the screen. So let's just go ahead and open it up. It shows you what is included in here. So you have 2 sealing rings, a condensation collector, the steam rack, the getting started guide, the safety manual. And then on this side, it kind of just details what the cooking parts are, and then the inner pot and the different buttons. So that the inside of the box, it might be actually useful to keep the box, because that way you always have something to reference back. It might be in the getting started guide and the safety manual, but we'll see that when we open it. And then just open it up. It says, hello, thank you for welcoming us into your kitchen. Get ready to experience fun, healthy cooking in an instant. So when you first open up the box, this is the thing that's on top, and it's just like a little plastic sleeve. And then when you open it, here's your getting started guide, and then the safety manual, and then this little nifty thing. It doesn't tell you, oh, it's cooking timetables. So pretty much this is showing you how long you can cook different kinds of food. So you have fruits and vegetables, different meats, beans. That's pretty cool. So this shows you how long it takes to cook on this, and this is on the high pressure. Can you see this? And so this is for what it would be on the high pressure level. So that's cool. And there's, oh, is this French? Oh, this side is French. Okay, cool. That's the difference. And so pretty much in your getting started guide, it just kind of tells you everything, initial setup, and all those good things. So we'll just flip through it really quick. Showing you how to open and close the lid, releasing the pressure valve, I guess. Has a few instructions to run an initial test. They always say run this initial test before you actually use it, so we'll do that as well. So, and then in the back is the French version. And this is just the safety manual. I'm probably not gonna read it, but in case I start having issues, I might take a look at it. And this is also in French. Also in the top of the box are the sealing ring. And then the power cord. All right, so then you just, oh, this thing's pretty heavy. Ooh. All right, whew, this thing is kind of heavy. So your whole Instant Pot is right here. I'm gonna just lift it out of the plastic. There's just some information on the quick release valve right here. And then the front features the screen, which of course is not on because I haven't plugged the power cable in. And you have all the buttons. So soup, meat, bean, poultry, slow cook, saute. So you have rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, yogurt, pressure cook, and then you can change the pressure levels. You have a setting to keep it warm. So once it's done cooking, you can keep it warm. A start delay button, and then a cancel button. All right. Right here, you can see where it has the directions to open and close the lid. So the lid is, I currently have it closed, so you can see it's locked. And then to open it, you just twist it the opposite direction, and it opens the lid. All right, on the inside, some more warning labels. Starting to feel like this might be slightly dangerous. And then in here are all the pieces for, it looks like your steam rack. I think it's assembled. Yeah, so you would just drop it in like this, and these sides would lay against the bowl. And then also here is the, I don't know what they actually call it, but like the insert pot. Wow, this thing is huge. Wow, that's pretty big. And it also on the side, it has fill lines. So I think we should go ahead and do the water test. That's recommended. So we will clean up a little bit and go ahead and do the water test. All right, so we have installed the condensation container on the back of the pot. And next we're gonna do this initial test run, which is the water test. So it makes a nice little noise when you take the lid off. So per the instructions, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna add 3 cups of water to the inner pot. Insert the inner pot back in the cooker base. If it was already in here, I don't know why we had to take it out, but we're just following the directions. So we have the power cord on, and now the display says should indicate off, but we had already, so now yes, it does say off. So we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna put it says select pressure cook. So we're gonna select pressure cook. And then it says set it to 5 minutes. So just use the down button. You can hold it, which is nice. You don't have to keep clicking it. Set it to 5 minutes. After 10 seconds, display indicates on and the pressure cooker begins preheating. Okay, so it's indicating on and now it is preheating. All right, your time's up.
It's been recording the whole time.
So you just heard the beep, and the keep warm setting is on, so you can turn that off if you want. You would just hit cancel, and now it would go to off. And so in order to finish this test, you're gonna do you're gonna press the quick release button down until it clicks into vent. So this is the quick release. So you're just gonna And so this is supposed to drop once everything has been released. A lot. Yeah, definitely be careful when you do this, because that's some pretty hot steam coming out of there. Alright, so it just clicked. And now the pot is completely depressurized. And you would just turn it. There will still be some steam coming out of here, so be careful. And that is a successful test. So that's how you do the water test, and that pretty much just tests to make sure that the pressurization functions and pretty much your pot is working correctly. And so once you do this, you can go ahead and dump the water out, clean it out, and you'll be ready to cook your first meal. So this was just an unboxing and the initial pressure test and the initial water test. So if you're interested in seeing us cook something in this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and check out that video.